So someone reached out to me and let me know that there's a land development right here in Spanish Town, very close to Silver Meadows Phase 3. Right, so if you guys know where that is, you know exactly where the land development is, right? So I'm gonna basically do a tour and just show you guys what they have accomplished so far and kind of give you guys an idea of what to look for, right? And I will put the information in the description and somewhere in the video so you guys can reach out to the rightful people. People like crazy are looking for land space right now. Returning residents, just, you know, people looking to basically invest back in Jamaica. So I hope this video will be helpful, right? I do. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough tour. Sun is really hot right now, people, I tell you. So without further ado, let's move. So as you can see, people, this is a very new development right here in Spanish Town. As you can see, they're fixing up. This is the front section, right? And let me see what this sign says. Development financed by Sagicor Bank. That's definitely something buyers pay attention to when looking for real estate projects like this. So this is where they are in the development stage at the moment. So for all the people who are interested in living in a gated community, you know, you can build your own house, right? So people thinking that probably they would build a house for you and stuff like that. This is where you come and you buy a lot and, you know, you start building, right? You're building your own house. And I know there's a lot of people out there that is looking for a land. I know people link me and I say, yo bro, you don't know which part of land I sell or nothing like that. And I tell them, say, no, you know, so I'm gonna come across a land yet where I sell. So it was to my surprise now, come across this now. I'm saying, yo, you know, some of my viewers them would want to know, or some people I know personally would want to know some land spaces that are for sale in Jamaica. So at the start, I would do this video and kind of get the information out there for you people that I know that are looking for lands. All right, so I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna walk as far as I can and just show you what the setting is like. And guys, do remember to like the video, alright? So that thumbs up button, click it, it really helps the video a lot. Breeze is definitely kicking out here today. So I'm taking it, this would be the guardhouse right here, so, and this would be the entrance, right, to enter the compound. So this would be the entrance, right, enter on this side, and the other side would be the exit. Yeah, so guardhouse that. So let us walk up as far as we can and see how far back. So I take it this would be alright, so them also let them start them things already. So I take it the houses are gonna either be on both sides, right? On either this side and the other side, right? So anybody seeing this right now, I will get the phone number so you guys can reach out to the people so you can make your purchase on your lot, so you can hold on to your lot from now, because I'm pretty sure more and more people get to find out about this. Everybody always just want to jump on it, you know. It is a very windy day, as you can hear in the background, people, and it's very sunny as well. The sun is kicking. So I take it when you call the rightful people, you guys will, you come and you decide which part of the land you want. And I don't think all the prices should be the same, depending on where you get the land, whether front, back, high rising. I think it would be for a different
So where I'm
price.
at right now, I'm in Spanish Town, and on this side you would have Silver Meadows, right? Phase 3 on this side. On the other side now, I'm not sure which other housing scheme is on the other side, but I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a lot of nice looking house on the hill, right? So this definitely look like a nice spot. You can buy a piece of lot and build a nice house. Returning residents from the US or wherever you're coming from, right, back to Jamaica, you're looking for a land.
This is definitely a nice space where you can build a house. To be honest, people, a few years ago, they could have gotten lands like these way cheaper, right? But now, once I get the community and in development, the prices just keep going up.
So them already made the walkway already. Drainage, everything, and I sort out everything before everything else starts. So farm reach already. And because as you can see, these are just high rising right now. They haven't started. And this side, which would be the land space for the homes, right? So a nice view from up here. Alright, come on people, when I wait, man. If you don't see this, and I'm hoping to see this video, right, then jump on it quick and fast, right? I'm gonna think them land are there for that long. So once the information is out there, people are gonna rush it, right? They're definitely gonna rush it. And a nice home for the future right here. So, and even here some Airbnbs, right? So go right here.
Oh, this is the manual system.
So see, so this is how far they've reached with the development so far. Them just set up the piping, the sewage system, everything, right? As you can see over there, right? Them just cutting the roads and stuff like that. All of this is gonna be like the walkway, and underneath would be like where the water can flow. So water for the road can just run off in here. So I'm just walking a straight line. So as they cut the roads in a different area. Right. So them cut it go all the way over that section, and there's another section right here. Them cut it go the way there. Alright, so there's a way going over this side. Let me see what's going on right there. So alright, some more cut around this side here, but I'm not starting nothing really tough around this side here. I'm just kind of cut the road and just kind of clear it a little bit. And guys, I don't know if you can see it, over that side is some nice looking house on the hills. Nice looking house, people. Alright, so we can continue the tour.
You can see right away that the excavator they were breaking up some big stones. Let me go a little bit closer to it so you guys can see what's really going on. So this is the process of basically leveling and preparing the land for roads, right? And eventually the houses, of course. Everybody after the just leave the machine them out, so I mean, of course, you have to take a day, It goes a lot of work goes into these stuff, as you can see. This stone is big, but the big bad excavator can manage it. I think I see there's another one around the other side. So far as we may see people, the land just it continues, right? So you can definitely see that this is going to be a very big gated community, right? Because I've walked so far and it's like it's never ending, right? So there's a lot of land space here to build a lot of homes. So I can move to the next area. So the next machine, yeah. So there would be two operator, one on the other side and one on this side. Make the work move a bit more faster. Alright, let me head this way. I think this way should bring me right back on the main.
All right, everybody, so we've reached the end of the video. So people, it was a very tiring walk. So when you see it for yourselves, I'm actually walk out the whole entire place just so you guys can get the information. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave the information in the video and also in the description. As I'm saying, people, a lot of people out there that are looking for land right now. So I hope this video actually reach out to the people who are really and truly in need of land right here in Jamaica, right? I'm not sure on the prices that what they're selling the lands for, but like I said, I will leave the phone number so you guys can reach out to them and find out what is going on. And as you see, the place is in early development right now. So these areas where you see right now, show you. These areas where you see, houses are gonna be on that side, right? So they're only focusing right now on like the roads and the water system, the drainage system and stuff like that, right? So I think they're gonna work on these areas next, right? So they just wanna basically install the most important thing right now, because these are actually the most important things in the early development right now, right? Like the drainage system, water system and stuff like that, right? So, like I said, I will leave the information. People, when they don't want to sit down on the information, I'm doing it, all right? It's the bit of reaching and jump on it quick and fast, all right? Because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people right now, a lot of returning residents just looking for land space here in Jamaica. So you get this information, don't sleep on it, people. All right, and guys, do remember to like the video, right? Share, subscribe to the channel. Just show me the support, people. All right, so just show me the love, people. Show me the support. Click the like button on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Guys, hope you enjoyed this one. So until next time, peace.